Hello and welcome back to the Multi-Tool and Blades channel, where we look at high quality USA and Swiss made knives in ultra high definition. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that button down below because we have more interesting and unique multi-tools coming up soon. Let's begin. Today we have a small collection of 84mm pocket knives to compare, starting with this beautiful 1920s Victorinox Model 206. It has a layout similar to a modern day tourist, gorgeous wood fibre scales, and you may have noticed already the beautiful brass liners. Now unfortunately, due to the wood fibre handles, there are no tweezers or toothpicks on this model. Considering that this tool is almost 100 years old and has obvious signs of use on the blade, this tool is in fantastic condition. So let's have a look at the main blade. On one side of the blade, the tang stamp is Army Swiss, and on the other side we have Inoxid, spelt with a J. As expected with the Victorinox, a nice clean snap. Now if we compare this cap lifter and screwdriver with the 84mm from the 1950s, there are a few little differences. You can see that the profile is different, but also that there's no wire stripper on the older version. I think the most obvious difference when looking at the two of these is the difference between the brass liners and the aluminium liners. Get a closer look at those. Now not only are the shields a different design, ever so slightly, but they're also in a different position. Now this can opener is probably the only spring that doesn't have an audible click. We compare it to the 1950s, obviously it's an older design compared to the current design. So the corkscrews are very similar, but we get a really good look at those liners there as well. The awls are very similar in design as well. Nothing's changed there. So the pen knives are similar in length, but the design is obviously a little bit different. Not too much there, no tang stamps on either. Now this is something I found very interesting. At this end, the liners are very comparable in size and width, but at the other end they seem to be very, very different. I seem to have forgotten about the more modern day Alox 84mm. So let's have just a quick look at that and see how that one compares in size as well to the 1920s. Obviously a lot thinner there. It's missing the awl and the corkscrew. So that's another episode. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. And again, if you haven't subscribed, hit that button down below. Thanks. Have a great day.